My name is Jose Maria Handoyo. I've just currently finished my third-year bachelor degree in aerospace engineering in the University of Manchester. I'm currently doing my placement year with Antycip, and I'm about to continue my master's in aerospace engineering as well this year in September. Merlin actually had taught me something very invaluable to not only my degree but also in my improvement in lifelong skills. So, for example, I was able to improve, my team management skills because I was able to organize my team in the It Flies event, for example. And I was able to also improve my knowledge on certain courses like flight dynamics and aircraft design. And I found out that my university had flight simulators. I immediately kind of, jumped out with excitement because ever since I was a kid, I've always loved flying planes. I've always been that guy, when I see a plane flying by, I'll have to come out of my house and go out and see, what type of plane is that flying by my house? So then when I found out that, the University of Manchester had these Merlin simulators, I had to check it out. I went inside and it was like love at first sight, I came inside that cockpit, I went inside and then I flew one of the models that was inside that inside that simulator, and I immediately fell in love in the simulator. It just taught me so much about not only about aircraft design but dynamics, but also kind of fueled that passion of my aerospace engineering.